Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the 10th video of my sequence exploring Hugging Face or Hugging Face tutorial. So my previous video I have created a chat application using Python and Streamlit, and I have created another chat application where document question answering is also possible. And in this video I am going to create a model which can summarize the content. Okay, so in previous video I have uploaded a PDF file, and the content of the PDF file I provided as a context. In this video we are going to provide the long text and we will do the summarization of it using Hugging Face models. So how to do that? For that I have to go to Hugging Face and I have to select a model. Okay, so how to select a model I already described in my previous video. You have to click on the models. So there are so many models available. So if I click on the models, it will open this page. And if I'll go to natural language processing and summarization, so you can see like summarization, this option is available. So if I'll go there, so it will open all the models. And if I'll sort this by using most downloads, so you can see like Facebook but this has the most downloads. So if I'm clicking this, you can see this is the documentation of the model and this is the interface API provided. So they have some sample text, and based on this it is summarizing the content. Okay, so let me try this model whether it is working fine or not. So for this I'll search something like provide a summary on web development. Okay, so this is I'm searching. Okay, so this is the summary they have provided by Google itself. I'll copy the whole thing. Okay, I'll copy the whole content and I'll paste there. Okay, let's see whether this model is working fine or not. I'll simply click on compute and let's see. Okay, so it is giving like web development is a process of creating and maintaining websites and blah blah blah. So it is able to summarize the content whatever I have provided. Okay, now I'm going to use this model in my code base. I will integrate this with my existing application whatever I built using Streamlit, and then as a user I will provide this content, and as a response I'll get this summary. Okay, so for that I already built application. If I'll go to my Visual Studio Code, I'm opening this. Okay, I'm closing all the other files. So this is the previously we have described on this file. Okay, in go and check my previous videos. I have created this sample file.py. This is a simple this is the simple Streamlit application which I have built. So if I run this file, you can see. Let me run this file. So I have to activate my Conda environment. So the command to activate is Conda activate venv and stapp. Okay, so it is activated, and I have to navigate to desktop and then this directory. Okay, inside this I have this sample file.py. I'm going to execute this sample file.py. So how to execute that? For that, stream streamlit run sample file.py. Okay, I'm running this application. So you guys can see it is loaded. So as a user, I'll provide a content. Okay, I will provide a long text or a paragraph or something like very long description of something, and it can be able to give me the summary of the text whatever I am providing. Okay, so here I'm going to ask a simple question like how are you. Okay, so authorization header is telling like invalid. That is fine. I'm going to change the authorization header. So for that I have to go to this application Hugging Face, and I have to check my API tokens whether what is the token available. So I have to just copy this. I think I have a token available. I have deleted the previous token, so that's why it is giving error. I have to go to invalidate and refresh this option and click OK. This is the authorization header, which is API token. So I'm going to replace this token in my application, Control V and Control S. I'm saving this and going to refresh the application. Okay, and I'm going to ask the same question. How are you? Okay, Okay, so this time we got the positive response like I'm doing well. So this is the response by the application, and in this case we are using the simple question answer model. But in this model we are going to replace this with our summarization text. Okay, so for that I have to copy the code from Hugging Face because I'm going to use this model. So I'm simply going there. So I'm going to use this model. So for that you have to go to deploy, and you have to click on interface API serverless, and I'll copy this. So see, these things are already available because I think name is not available. Let me copy this whole thing. Okay, so interface client token I have provided, and response also I have provided. Let me tally this first. Okay, let me tally this first. Headers, okay, they have provided the headers, and okay, everything they have provided. I have to replace few of the things. Okay, so this response is fine. Interface client, okay, interface client I have to change. So the interface client will be this models and Facebook bot large CNN. So this is the model name. So I'm providing this here. Okay, and the API token I have already changed. Okay, and I'm making a post request based on the prompt, and we are getting the response. Okay, query inputs, that is fine. So this is the sample query they have provided. We can copy this and we can try this model. Okay, let me save this and let me go there and let me refresh this, and I'm copying this whatever they have provided as a text. So it is expected to uh, get a summary of this text. So I'm going to my application, I'm providing this prompt, and let's see whether it is able to summarize this or not. Okay, so it is stream is not supported in this model. Okay, fine. So we have to change the this thing. Okay, so how to change this? I have to copy the whole code. This time I'm copying the whole code. Okay, so I'm copying this up to here because request I already imported. Okay, this client is not needed. Response generator. So I'm pasting this here. I'm removing this and I'm pasting this here. Okay, so output API URL is fine. Authorization here header. So this thing I need to change. I'm going to change this. So for that again I have to copy the API token. So I'm just going to my settings and then access tokens. I have to copy this token. Let me copy this. Okay, I have copied this and I have to paste it over here. Okay, and then they're providing the payload. So basically payload is nothing but headers and JSON payload. Okay, so query inputs, and just a second. So okay, so this is the payload and they're using this query. So this is basically the payload. Okay, so this is basically the payload. Okay, so this function is not needed. This is the response and we are returning response.json. Okay, fine. So this is the payload. Okay, so this is the two line. Response is equal to request.post. We are making a post request using this payload. Okay, using this should be the prompt. This should be the prompt because we are providing anonymously as a user. So this prompt we are passing here, and this is the inputs. Response is this, and we are returning response.json. Okay, and where we are using this, we are using here. Okay, let's try with this. Let's try with this. So if we get another error, it will give. Okay, we'll copy the sample text provided by them. Okay, I'm copying the sample thing. So I'm copying this and I'm going to paste it over here. This application. Let's see, query is not defined. Okay, fine. So query is not defined. So basically it is not needed. Okay. So again, I'm pasting this. Request is not defined. Okay. So I think I have not imported the request, so I have to import the request. For that, I need to just add one line import requests, or else I copy the module name and I'll paste it over here. Okay, let's try. I will do one thing. I'll copy the whole thing and then I just ask the prompt. Okay, so see, in this case, I got okay the extracted summary text from this input, which is the summary of this provided text. Okay, so this is basically a list, and if we again work on this list, so again we need to modify our code. Okay, so response we're getting, and from there we have to get the 0, and then we have to give 0 because this is a list format. Let's see whether it is working or not. Okay, again I have to need to refresh this and I'll paste this. Okay, so we got the summary text, so we have to extract this summary text from this dictionary, and for that we have to give like this summary text, and again here we're giving summary text. Okay, I'm saving this and going to paste it again. I'm refreshing this application and I'm pasting the inputs over here, and let's see this time. Yeah, we got the summary of the provided text. Okay, to test it more, uh, I'm taking some another description from Google. Write a descrip- description on suppose modern agricultural implements or something is given. Okay, so I'm going to copy this text. So guys, I'm just randomly taking this text. If you don't want, you can generate something else. Okay, so I'm copying up to here, and let's see whether for this it is going to answer it properly or not. So I provided this text and let's try. So you guys can see it is running. It will take few seconds of time, and yes, it gave the answer like modern agricultural implements are advanced farming tool and blah blah blah. So it is working correctly. So this is the way how you can summarize your text, summarize your content, and you can use this for PDF summarization as well. Suppose you have a very long PDF and you want to extract the key things or a key idea about the PDF, and you do not have time. So this kind of chatbot can help. Okay, you can simply upload the PDF file over there, and it can summarize the whole content and it will give you the extracted text. Okay, so this is the way, this is the process. I'm not going to show you again how to upload the PDF file because in my previous video I have already created how you can upload a PDF file in Streamlit application. So for that I have already created a video. If you go to my previous videos, you can see. Okay, how to upload a PDF file in Streamlit application and how you can pass the content of the PDF file as a context to your LLM application. Everything is described there. So this video is on how to summarize the text and how you can integrate the Hugging Face summarization model with your Streamlit application. So this is the way, guys. So if you have any doubt or anything or any idea, or if you have any suggestion on what topic I can make the videos, you can give me in the comment box. And please subscribe to my channel and please share this video and please like and subscribe. As of now, that's it, guys. See you in the next video. Good day and goodbye.